Do you ever feel like you're stuck sounding too formal in your English conversations? Well, today we're going to talk about how using slang can help you sound more natural and fluent. Assalamu alaikum, مرحبا بكم في another episode of English بالدارجة podcast, where we get to learn this amazing language in a fun way, and we help learners of all levels improve their language skills. So بلا ما نطول عليكم, let's get started. Slang is a part of everyday language, بحال الدارجة ديالنا, especially in casual conversations, ما بين صحاب, ما بين عائلة. So native speakers use slang all the time. Learning it will help you blend in and understand others better. It's like a shortcut to sounding more real when you speak. Let's go over some slang phrases you can use right away. من اليوم ما تقدر تستعمل الكلمات هذو. The first one is what's up? What's up? What's up? It's a casual way to ask how are you? أمشي عند صاحبك العشية ولا غدا الصباح تقول له yo what's up? عقله. The second one is chill out. Chill out. Chill out. It's to tell someone to relax. هنينا بالدارجة ديالنا. The third one is hang out. Hang out. It means to spend time with friends. تمشي عند صاحبك تقول له واش باغي تخرج تسركل العشية؟ تقول له yo wanna hang out tonight? The fourth one is hit me up. Hit me up. Hit me up. It's to contact someone. بلاص ما تقول صاحبك ميمشي للدار صيفط لي ميساج. When you are home, hit me up. Practice these in your next conversation and watch your fluency improve. Here's the thing. You should avoid using slang in formal settings. انت ماشي جالس مع الأستاذ ولا المدير ولا شي ما كتعرفوش غتقول له yo what's up. Save it for casual chats with friends or people you're comfortable with. صاحبك, عائلتك, شي واحد اللي قريب ليك. ممكن تكون مداصر معه بالدارجة. If you're ever in doubt, stick to more neutral language. شي واحد ما كتعرفوش ولا تلاقيتيه جوج مرات, stick with the formal. بس ما تقول له وفين yo تقول له hello. صافي ونسق. Now that you know how to use slang to sound more fluent, try incorporating some of these phrases into your next conversation. Remember, context is key. Want to learn more slang? Follow me on this podcast and let's keep learning together. See ya.